Yeah, so basically, everybody that signs up to Convert Labs, which we'll go over in a little bit, you get access to the private community. There's about 600 people in there. People are posting in all that's the community right there.
Mm-hmm. Yep, and you'll see people like first booking in the bag, delighting my customers. Um, you'll see people posting some insane revenue. I launched the beginning of September. Hit the first 1,000, my first clean. Then you'll see some crazy numbers too. Like, let's go down a little bit. Hitting 100 recurring clients, so they're doing over $1 million. They've crossed $1 million mark. Have my first clean-ins. Um, this is Tashima. She was from around COVID time. She's killing it. This is a guy from SpaceX. He hit his first $800,000 a year and quit his SpaceX job. Um, $1 million in 24 months. That's Hussein. Oh yeah, some of you came on here from this screenshot. That's Hussein. 10,000 MRR from $0 to $1 million in 26 months. That's Victoria. So you're gonna see all these people. And don't like you're gonna see people that are bigger companies, smaller companies, it doesn't matter, but you can share your wins in here. You can have like these live chats, you can message me, you can introduce yourself. There's welcome messages, people are chit-chatting the whole time. This is where you'll see all the tools that you're going to use as you build your business, even like set up your banking and so on. There's a bunch of resources in here, like emails, email series, phone scripts, pricing structure, phone interview questions, SOPs, so many things some things you don't even know that you need right now, but they're there. And then a bunch of other links that could be useful. So the community is there to help you stay accountable. It'll be useful if you can post in there and be like, here's where I'm at. Even if you don't get your first booking yet, like I finished my website, I finished my copywriting, and people are going to cheer you on and support you along the way. And then, of course, you can text me if you're stuck with something. I respond. Kevin also has the number that you can reach him as well. And then you can also email. So you're not alone going through this process. Let me go into the Convert Labs demo real quick, Kevin. What do you think? And then we can show people how to get on board.
Sure.
Okay, cool. So Convert Labs, for people that don't know what it is, outside the community, it's your entire business. Literally, it's your entire infrastructure for your business. So my overheads right now for my company are essentially my laptop, my internet, my phone service. We use a company called Open Phone for a phone service, and just to have a roof over my head, like my office at home, right? That is it. And the core of the business is Convert Labs. So I'll show you I'll give you a little insight. So the main thing that you start with, and we'll try to get this done today, is your website themes. So Convert Labs, again, if you're not technically savvy, makes it so you can like click on a theme that you like. Here's a theme. It has like gift cards, your booking page, everything is on here that you're going to need to launch and start your business. And then all you have to do is hit select theme, and your website is up on a temporary domain, but you can go in and edit it and add your copy and change the colors and all that stuff. And then when you finalize your domain, again, just one more click and your website is up. So you don't have to do any of that crazy work if you're not technically savvy. So for me, this is what we use, and you're gonna find people that use these themes. They don't change too much of it. Oh, they actually rebranded. Okay, so before now, this is my first time seeing it. All they did was use this theme and change a few colors, and that got them to over $1 million a year. But it looks like they just changed their website. So you don't have to do too much. Insert the theme, edit the copy, and start to get your first customer. So Convert Labs gets you that, and that's all. That's all in there. Let me go back to the demo. So you have like your dashboard where you show your sales, your revenue, your MRR, your customer retention rate, your booking growth rate, and all that. You have your activity, if bookings are canceled, if the team is running late. It's kind of just an overview of your business. Then you have the detailed bookings where you have like essentially your schedule for the day. You can charge your credit cards from here and so on. Um, Somebody's texting me, maybe from the group. You have your calendar, your customer lists, your teams that actually go out and do the work, and you can assign them to jobs, discount codes, payouts, your quotes, invoices, marketing stuff where you can do like collect your leads, and ConvertLabs has something where it automatically reaches out to your leads that have not converted by email. I mean, there's so many things. So this is essentially the core of your business. So today the goal is at least we choose our industry, because right now our main industries are, a lot of people do cleaning. Let's be honest, probably about 90% of the people that make up those $500 million per year from our community are in cleaning. So you'll see a lot of cleaning themes. A lot of them are really, really good. Then there's some lawn care people, so you'll see some lawn care. There's carpet cleaning, so you'll see that. There's auto detailing, handyman services as well. There are people
And I'll just quickly say too, like the only real differences between the different industries are the images.
yeah,
So you can change the images on any of these themes to be for any industry.
yep, that's right. That's right. Yep. So yeah, and the themes are beautifully designed. They're not like those trash themes. They're designed to convert. And me and Kevin, we've been converting customers into, I mean, leads into customers for a long time now, built big businesses in this space, and we designed the themes to convert. Kevin, this is kind of sweet.
Mhm.
Forgot about this one. Yeah. So this
We
good
got
to
a new one
convert.
coming up too that Michael just did.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what's up. Yeah, this is a checkout page so your customers can come and say, hey, maybe somebody else texted me.
That's the old style too. We got an updated one.
Oh yeah, you got the updated booking form, but yeah, they can come select inside the fridge, inside the oven. They can save monthly, bi-weekly. The system tracks all that. They can select this how big the home is and come all the way down, put in the credit card, book service. The system knows not to charge them yet, but it will pre-authorize the card for you, and then after the booking is complete, you can go in and charge the card. Is it all makes sense? Is how these businesses work, and this is designed specifically for this, and it works really well.
Okay, yeah. So basically, sign up process is pretty simple. You go to convertlabs.io/cohort, and I can't see it because Zoom is in the way. You can just click on start trial. It's $197 a month. There's no upsells. A lot of the other software that's out there, you have to have your own account for some things like SMS. So sending out text messages, you'll have to sign up to that separately and then connect it to that software. We include all of that. So we pay for all of the SMS, all the text messages, emails, everything that goes out, to your customers, to your teams, all of that's included, as well as web hosting, SSL, support, everything's all in there for $197 a month. And if you wanted to do annually too, you can also save a little bit. We basically charge you 10 months for 12 months of service. Yeah, you just click, start your 7-day trial, go through this, and you'd basically be in ConvertLabs. And I'm going to go into our demo account. Once you sign up, this is basically what you're going to see. You're also going to get an email that's going to invite you to the community. If you don't get an email that invites you to the community, do send us an email so we can make sure that you're going to be in there. And I just want to type in our email one more time, hello@convertlabs.io. This is our main general email. You can email us questions. You can get on a call with me. You can send us anything, technical questions, whatever. We'll respond to it. We're very anal to make sure that our inbox has unread emails. So we try to respond to everything as quickly as possible. So I'm going to go over ConvertLabs more in depth tomorrow, so we don't get bogged down with this today. But this is essentially your setup guide that you're going to see here. Send email, we just talked about that. schedule a call. So if you want to get on a call with me, this is going to open up a Calendly. And I always invite people, you can get on as many calls as you want with me. I have people literally get on a call with me every week, or whatever you want. And then our community here as well. Below that is going to be the setup guide. As you go through these different items, and we're going to go through this weekend, but as you go through these and click on this dark blue button, they're basically going to disappear. And once you go through all of them and you click on complete, you're never going to see this page again, because this is the sign up guide. And then what you're going to see is basically your dashboard after you've completed that. But today, our main goal is to go through and get a website. And the way we do that is you click on websites. Depending on when you're doing this weekend, and just as a quick note, it doesn't matter if you get your website first or your domain first. So you can buy a domain name here, which I'll go into tomorrow, but it doesn't matter which order you do this in. There's no difference. But for today, we'll just go through getting a website. We have several themes here that are available, as Rohan went over. The way to do this, I'm sorry, Zoom is in the way. Click on preview theme. So if you just click on preview, you can see these different themes. This is probably my favorite one right now. We do have a new one that will probably be up soon, but not this weekend. You can change them out at a later time if you want, but it's also a good idea to kind of, before you start editing your site too much, make sure it's the one you want, because if you do want to change your theme, you do have to contact support to do that. So I advise you to kind of just go through these different themes and then find one that you really want. Keep in mind, let me just pick one real quick. Keep in mind that colors, images, content can all be changed. You're essentially just kind of looking for the general layout. And some of them are kind of similar, more similar than others, but a lot of this stuff can be changed. So, if you don't like this orange color here, it's very easy to change that. So don't worry about that too much, but just pick a theme that you like. I would say this is probably the one I always go back to. I've seen people do things like change this image and put a video in there. All of these widgets also are not specific to the theme. You can change them out. So sometimes people assume that, actually, let me just check this one. That this is the widget and the only widget that's on the theme. It's not true. You can change these widgets, these basically like lead collection forms, and you can have whichever ones that you want on this website. So they're not specific to it. But yeah, just pick one that you like. I'm just going to go back to this one again. And when you find one that you actually like and you want to go with, all you have to do is click up here where it says select theme. And it's going to take you to this page. It's going to, again, have the theme that you selected over here. And it's going to ask you to put in a subdomain. And essentially, this is kind of like a temporary website address. Customers are not going to see this. Nobody's going to see this except you until you actually have a domain on your account. So it doesn't matter what you put in here. You can put in Awesomades. It's available. Again, doesn't matter what you put in here. It's temporary. And then you just click on select subdomain. And I don't know if the demo is going to do anything. Oh, okay. And this is what's going to happen. You're basically going to have website installation in progress. And here we have the progress bar. It's not going to work because this is a demo account. But let me see if I click on, yeah, it's not going to work because it's a demo account. But that's basically the process that you'd see, and your website is going to be up and it's going to be available for you to edit at that point. So that's basically the process. Super simple. And we have a website up. Some of the other things too that I'll quickly note before getting too deep into the weeds. So here we have in the setup guide, the first thing is manage business information. And if you go to manage settings, so all of these things that you put in here, like your company name, the country, email, phone number, when you put this stuff in here, it's automatically going to also be listed on your website. So that's something you don't have to go into your website and edit. It kind of transfers. We transfer over, this information to your website automatically, just to save time.